Bomberman.
Hello my sweeties, today we are coming back to you with a very sweet and very chocolate explosion. And you know what we're gonna be? Very soon you will find out. So it's very delicious, very tasty, and the most sweetest thing in all the world. So it's chocolate candles from Europe. Here you go. Ha! Take a look, take a look. Wow, it's a real miracle. You know these candles? They are the best one. I like it very much. Jim likes it very much, and I think everybody likes them. But this is not the purpose to eat all of them, but I can tell that we are going to explode all this box of all these sweets. Because of these candles, they are very sweet, very chocolate, and yeah, my friend Jim and I, we like chocolate very much, so that's why we took just only 2 pieces of these candles, one for me and one for my assistant Jim, and it was so delicious. It was so delicious. My friend Jim took just only 1 small piece of this sweet chocolate sweet, and you see what happened later. You see, oh my god, it was a really shocked scene what I've seen today. That was great. You see, he was snoring. He was, oh my god, he was just almost dying. But it's okay. Don't worry. I did the same. I did the same because I was eating in a hidden position. I was feeding my piggy bank, but she was not eating so good. But I like them very much, and my friend Jim also catch me just in the corner. So that's why later on I decided to blow it off, and let's go ahead with the slow motion explosion of these candles of chocolate. Here I'm coming with all the set of these, the best chocolate candles in all the world. Everybody likes it, everybody tastes it. I like it as well, so that's why I'm putting here one more MIG's capsule. There is one pill, chocolate pill. I think this is the special made place for here,
Bomberman.
for this place. And yeah, now it's one full set, so let's cover with the plastic cover. And now it's ready. Now it's ready in one big set. So I think it's totally closed, everything's fine, all candles inside. So let's take a look how it will blow it off.
let's get back to our explosion camera. So this is the main explosion area. As my assistant Jim, it calls as a microwave. So take a look. Take a look around. Wow, this wallpaper is really great. Do you agree? Yeah, just drop me a comment if you like it, and if you have any suggestions to change it. And over here you can see everything just after explosion, how it looks like. And I don't know if you noticed that every time I was calling these sweets, chocolate sweets, as candles. Did you notice that? Yeah, it was made specially that, you know, no any brands, no any advertisement commercial would be written or just talked about this. And take a look how these old candles, as I mentioned, no, it's not candles, these are chocolate candies. So if you notice that, just drop me a comment, or maybe you didn't notice nothing at all because you were so excited by watching this video and you didn't hear me nothing at all. Yeah, so everywhere is a mess. Everywhere is a mess. These small plastic parts as a glass there, yeah, it's smashed around everywhere. And this is the view how it looks like after explosion. Oh yeah.
The best thing what I can offer for you to become a pop star, rock star, and even the star in all over the world, to become a part of me. So just follow my channel, Big MIG Bomberman channel on YouTube. And here is an email that you can drop me a message with your explosion idea and I will blow it off. So don't forget, subscribe me on all the channels, and just only full videos you can see just on my MIG Bomberman channel on YouTube. So come and subscribe me and you will see much more videos in the future of ideas what you are offering. In this way you will become a star of our slow motion movie. You will be participating in it with your nickname, with your photo, with your portfolio, and everybody will see your explosion, your idea, that it was destroyed by MIG Bomberman.
MIG Bomberman.